Learn can you in Afrikaans.
Kan jy?
Welcome. Hey you, welcome. Let's have a quick, fun lesson you can use right away. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your friendly language coach. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and practice. Today's superpower phrase is,
Kan jy?
it means, can you? ? Say it with me.
Kan jy?
We'll add helpful verbs like,
Help, maak oop, dra, regmaak,
and
wys my,
keep it polite with.
asseblief.
Your goal today. By the end, you'll ask for help naturally and confidently. Goal. Use.
Kan jy?
To ask for help or ability. Example. Can you help?
Kan jy help?
Make it polite. Please, can you open the door?
Asseblief, kan jy die deur maak oop?
Negative pattern for a soft nudge. Can't you?
Kan jy nie?
Add the rest of the sentence after the dots. Bonus forms you'll hear.
Kan ek?
Can I? ? Closing parenthesis comma.
Wil jy?
Do you want to? ? Closing parenthesis comma.
Mag ek?
May I? Mini dialogues at the braai. Act along and repeat out loud. Yes, you. A. At a braai.
Kan jy die deur maak oop, asseblief?
B.
Ja, ek kan.
A.
Dankie.
A. Heavy box moment. A.
Kan jy hierdie boks dra?
B.
Geen probleem.
A.
Dankie.
Bike blues. A.
Kan jy my fiets regmaak?
B.
Ek sal probeer.
Tech help. A.
Kan jy wys my hoe dit werk?
B.
Ja, kom kyk, ek wys jou.
The gentle nudge. A.
Kan jy nie die venster maak oop nie?
B.
O, jammer, ek doen dit nou.
Quick drills. Your turn. Say it out loud and own it. Say in Afrikaans. Can you help, please? Answer.
Kan jy help, asseblief?
Say, can you open the door? Answer.
Kan jy die deur maak oop?
Say, can you carry this? Answer.
Kan jy dit dra?
Say, can you fix my phone? Answer.
Kan jy my foon regmaak?
Say, can you show me? Answer.
Kan jy wys my?
Form practice. Ability. Can I sit here?
Kan ek hier sit?
Willingness. Do you want to help?
Wil jy help?
Permission. May I ask a question?
Mag ek 'n vraag vra?
Keywords roll call.
Asseblief, help, maak oop, dra, regmaak, wys my,
Polite ending after success.
dankie.
Culture tip. Sound natural and friendly in South Africa. At a South African braai, it's common and friendly to ask, can you?
Kan jy?
Add.
Asseblief.
And a smile, and you're golden. Ability versus willingness.
Kan jy?
Asks if someone can.
Wil jy?
Asks if someone wants to. Different vibes, both useful. Funny moment. Even a cat might stare at the tuna and say, in your imagination.
Kan jy?
Quiz and challenge. Quick check, then a playful challenge for you. Quiz. How do you say, can you, in Afrikaans? Answer.
Kan jy?
True or false.
Kan jy?
Means, do you want to? Answer. False. That's.
Wil jy?
Speed round. Say, please, can you help me? Answer.
Asseblief, kan jy my help?
Challenge. Ask a friend 3 things today using.
Kan jy?
For example.
Kan jy die deur maak oop? Kan jy dit dra? Kan jy my fiets regmaak?
Then say.
Dankie.
Wrap up. Nice work, your Afrikaans is leveling up. You learned the powerhouse request.
Kan jy?
Plus helpers like.
Asseblief, help, maak oop, dra, regmaak, wys my.
And forms.
Kan ek? Wil jy? Mag ek?
Thanks for listening. Keep practicing a little each day and you'll sound natural fast. This podcast was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, drills, and free resources. You've got this, go use.
Kan jy?
In real life today.